Alrighty, mobile appreneurs, or appreneurs I should say. Christopher Wilson here, self-proclaimed mobile app mogul. And I have another video, and in this video I'm going to show you uh, a method that I use to do my niche research to put up an app in the Android marketplace. First I'm going to show you the app, and I'm going to show you the earnings that I've made so far from this app. I'm going to show you the method that I used to find this trend and the keyword research that I used, and ultimately I'm going to tell you why I decided to build this app. Okay, and I must say I must give credit to the Green app machine, which is the app builder that I used. And like I said, I decided to make this app, and I put it up in a matter of minutes after I did the initial, I guess you can say, pre-build steps, which is finding the images, writing the description, and so forth. But in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you the niche method that I used to ultimately find this app niche, this keyword, and ultimately upload it or publish it to the Android store. I have yet to put it on iTunes and Windows and Amazon and GetJar and a few more, but I'm going to show you that right now. What you're seeing now, I got another video being uploaded actually. But let me go ahead and get started. Let me show you the app. And like I said, when I first put this app up, man, I started seeing downloads before I even finished uploading the app to Android. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and get going. You want to hear me keep gibbering? You want to see what's going on? This is the app. Okay, let's see if we can get it going. Having computer problems right now. Let's try it again. Maybe I'll just spell it out. Okay. Okay. This is the app right here, and that's sitting at number 1 right now. Now, watch this. A few minutes ago, well, let me tell you this. When I first searched out this term, there were, I believe, 11. No, take that back. There were 3 results. Okay. Now there are 104 results for this keyword here: injustice, Gods among us. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this app real quick. Okay. This is my Injustice, Gods Among Us fan app. Okay. And I put this up 6 days ago. It's already have it's between 10,000 and 50,000 downloads. Okay. I put a video on it, and these are the reviews so far. Okay. And like I said, that the 5 stars, I should be seeing more of those, because some things in the description I had to change, so I had to make a few things clear. But anyway, that's the app. Now, next part is showing you the earnings. Okay, I'm using AdMob and Everbadge, which is included in the Green app machine. That's part of their monetization, which is AdMob and Everbadge. Oh, I can't do it right now because I'm uploading a video. Let me see. I'm going to stop this video 1 second, see if I can use another browser. Okay, I'm back. I had to open up Google Chrome. I had to open up another browser to show you these numbers here. But this is my AdMob account. Okay, and so far this one app has made me $138.80. And I put it up on the 7th. So it's averaging about, let's see, on the 7th, $21, $26, and on the 9th, $29, and so on. So it's going up and up. Okay, so this app is just this one app now is actually making me about $20 a day from AdMob. Okay, this is Everbadge. Okay, and so far with Everbadge, which is the other back end inside the green app machine, the other monetization method, so far is $68.77. So that's roughly about $10 a day from Everbadge so far. Okay. All right. Now, next part, I said I was going to show you the niche method or the keyword research that I use to find the app is Justice Gods Among Us. So let me close that out. Okay. And this is the app. Now, what I did, I used this. I used what I call the Amazon method. I haven't really came up with a name for it yet, but I use Amazon and I use the new releases and the coming soon search in Amazon. So let me show you that real quick. And I have my folders here already. That's one thing I am, I like to keep things organized. So this is all my niches, niche tools that I use, or niche websites. And this is Amazon coming soon. I'm going to open that up in another tab. Okay. And this is coming soon. And this is coming soon in video games. Now also on the side here you have here's another way you can do this. You have, let's see. Let me come up with it. No, it's not on there right now. Okay. But you have pre-orders. Yeah, that's it. Pre-orders. You have coming soon. So actually I was on Amazon and I said what's coming up? What's coming up soon? Because you want to find out what's coming up soon that you think is going to be hot or that you think is going to be popular. So I said, well, video games are always popular. So I went to the coming soon in video games, and I seen this right here in Justice Gods Among Us. I've seen a few more. Okay. So I said, well, this is right here, number 1 here. Let's see what's going on with that. And keep in mind, I didn't know anything about this game. Like I said, I was just doing a search on in coming soon and finding out what's hot right now. Okay, and it says this item will be released April 16th, 2013. I said, interesting. Okay, it's not out yet. So, what I want to do is, I want to find out if there were any buzz about it, or is it popular? Are people looking for it? And I do know with Amazon pre-orders, people always want to get stuff before it hits the market. Okay, so I said, I seen, a couple images, video with it and so forth. I said, okay, so let me take this a step further to see if anybody's looking for it. So what I did was, and these are my exact steps, took that title right there, and then first I put it in Android market. Okay, and I believe I told you before it was like 4 results. I said, okay, that's good, and in a way that's bad. It's good. It's actually really good because you're the only one there. If you put up an app in that category, it's not too much. And what I do is put it in there. And what I like to see in Android or in the Google Play Store, I like to see roughly about no more than 20 results. Okay, and at the time that I put this app up, it was 4 results. So what that means is nobody. It's kind of a dual-edged sword here. It can mean, like I said, it's good and bad. It can mean that nobody is in that category, and you can basically just crush that if you're in the number 1 spot. Or it can mean nobody's searching for it, so therefore, it may not be a good idea to put up an app for that. But in this case, I said, well, okay. At the time, it was 4 results. I said, okay, fine. So I went to do my keyword research, and I got a folder for that too. Let me show you my folder, keyword tools. And what I'm going to do is just open up all of these. Well, actually, I'm not going to open up all of them. Well, yeah, I am. Okay. I'm going to show you all this. Show you exactly what I did. Open up all tabs. These may be slow loading. Okay. But I took that same keyword, put it in Android first. Then I might pause this video, let it finish loading here, because I'm already over 10 minutes. But stick with me, y'all. Okay, I did a search on Google. Okay, so I was searching on Google. Okay, and I said, okay, 26 million results. I said, so people are looking for it. Okay, then I looked at the related terms. Okay, I said, good, I can use those as my keywords. Okay, and actually, I did incoming search terms. What that is up to the minute. What people are searching for, right now, real time actually. Okay, and so did that. Also did popular search, and what that does is, let me show you real quick. Matter of fact, let me show you incoming real quick. Okay, let's just say pick one of these. This is incoming search terms, and see, these are search terms that people are searching for on particular websites or on particular blogs. Okay, and I do apologize, my computer is going slow. Okay, so there it is right there. Now the popular search terms or recent search terms. Okay, and these are not for Injustice Gods Among Us, but these are the latest terms actually. So in this case, I wouldn't use this site. I would probably go to another site. But let me go to what I really want to show you. This is with Yahoo. I did a search there too. Let me go to, not Jaxie. I'm just going to go to trends. Okay. Now, when I seen this number, I decided, this may be really good to make an app for. Let me show you. Because I seen this number just go from like 0 to like thousands, and it kind of happened like overnight. So let me show you in Google Trends. This is where I'm at. Okay, I see here on this is May 2012. Okay, a little buzz about it. Okay, July, August, so forth, October, November 2012. Now look at this. Look how that arrow goes straight up. Okay, and today's date is 4/11/2013, April 11, 2013. But it really didn't start getting a buzz until, I guess, 2013, somewhere in there. But when I seen that arrow go straight up like that, I said there may be something to this game. Okay, and then I looked at the related terms. Okay, and here you can see Injustice Characters, Injustice Game, release date. People want to know when the release date would be. Okay, so that's a search term. Okay, all right. Now, most importantly, I had the Google keyword tool. Matter of fact, let me put it right here. Okay, but that trend, that basically, really influenced my decision. Google Trends, so keep that in mind. So let's go to the keyword tool real quick, and I searched in the keyword tool. Okay, it's loading slow here. Ready? I tell you what. But we'll probably come back to that later. Okay, there we go. All right. In this case, I'm gonna put in this capture code. Come on, computer. So I got a lot going on right now. AFWASNACMEANS. Okay, try that. Okay. Now this is key also, and I'm going to show you why right now. Let's go to keywords. No search. Okay. Now, let me open up a few columns here. If I can do that. Okay, I want to. It's not going to show me all the columns. Okay, I'm going to stop this real quick and sign in. so I can show you exactly what's going on with this. Okay, I'm signed in. So now let's go ahead and do our keyword research again, and I want keyword ideas. Okay, and let's search it. And I'm going to show you all the data that I use in doing my keyword research. And besides Google Trends, the trends in the keyword tool, this also influenced my decision. Okay, so I want local search trends. Okay, I'm going to tick that box. I want to tick, let's see, Google Search Network now. CPC, I want to search that too. And yeah, okay, let's apply this. Okay, I want you to look over here in this left hand corner, or right hand corner, I guess. Okay, now here it is. Competition is low, but look at that. Look at this trend again. Look at this trend again. See? All these keywords. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, just imagine if you can get all your markets, whatever your niche is, if you can get a trend like that. Okay, I'm not even looking at the search volume yet, but what I do is I go by, lately I go by global monthly searches, and I want at least, let me show you this also. I go to this parameter over here. I like to start out with exact. Okay, because what exact does, it lets you know the people that are actually typing that in Google searching for it. That's what the exact does. So let's go over and let me see if I can get the trends in here. So exactly, this is the exact number of people searching in Google for this. Okay, and then this one also, and this one also. So I'm not really, I just want this number right here, these global monthly searches, to be over 500. Ideally between 500 and 2,500. Let's say that. Okay, that's just unofficial. My unofficial way of doing it for right now. But anyway, look at this one. Characters. People are searching a lot in characters. These are exact searches in Google. Locally, in the United States, you know, that's how many. But look at the trends, though. Look at the trends. Okay? So ultimately, this is why I decided I better put this app up. First of all, nobody was searching for it in the Google Play Store. But it's hot. Okay? I checked it in Google Trends. Okay? I showed you what it was like in Google Trends. You know, it was going through the roof. Okay? And then I just showed you in the Google Keyword Tool what it was. Okay? What the results were in the trends. Okay, well, we're not going to worry about that right now. But just recapping, I showed you app that I chose. I showed you the research method that I use using Amazon, coming soon, and brand new releases. And I showed you the earnings. And I showed you why I ultimately chose to make an app for this. Okay, I ultimately chose it because of the trend. Where's it at? Okay, so I said, let me make an app for this. And actually, the low search volume that was in Google Play also. Now, iTunes, I can tell you the result right now on iTunes, and you can check it out yourself. But if you go to the iTunes store, into the App Store, if you type in Injustice Gods Among Us, there's one app there. Now, actually, it may be two there now. Okay, that's it. So ultimately, what happened? You got a higher search volume, a high trending rate, I guess you could say. Okay, and people are searching for it, but it wasn't too much information out there. So that's why this app has the statistics that it does. Okay, and that was using the Amazon. I need to come up with a name for that. The Amazon artillery method for doing niche keyword research to find apps to build. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to leave links to everything, you know. But like I said, that was a hot trend that was trending. This game is not even out yet. But so far, like I said, I decided to make an app for it. And like I said, at the time, this was 4. And so I decided to put an app. I wonder what all this is doing there. But you know, let me show you something else. To get this more specific, let's put that in quotes, and let's see what happens. Okay, still 104. Okay, but anyway, that's how I decided to do that app, and I used the green app machine to make this app. And let me show you that real quick. Well, actually, I don't need to show you the green app. Well, yes, I do. Hold on. Okay, I'm back again. Okay, now I'm in the green app machine, which is the app builder that I use to make my apps. And like I said, I love it so far. You can literally, it says you can build an app in 12 minutes. You really, it actually takes about 20 minutes, but and that's not including the time to pre-build, as you could say, getting all the information together. But so far, these are the 7 apps that I built, and I built these over a 7-day period, actually. And like I said, um, in the app developer realm, I should say, um, if you build 10 apps, the statistics go, if you build 10 apps, one of them is going to be a home run. Okay, one of them is going to be a home run. Give or take, 10 or more, or whatever. But so far I built 7, and this is the one that's hit it out of the park so far. And real quick, I'm gonna give you a real quick review of it. Okay, it's really simple. Okay. Here you got your app details. You put in your app title. You put in your description, what you do in the pre-build process. Your app icon, what you do in the pre-build process. Okay, I'm not gonna show you exactly how this is done, but and actually I am going over because in this video when I first told you in this video I said I was just gonna show you my niche method, but I'm gonna show you this real quick. Once you got that, boom. Okay, you go to your splash screen next. I'm going to have a more in-depth video on how to do that. Well, my computer's running slow right now. So I guess what we're going to stop it right there. But anyway, in the next video, I'm going to show you the build process, how I go from start to finish, step by step, building an app from scratch, actually. Okay. So we're going to do that in the next video coming up. So please rate, comment, give me any feedback on this video. Go to my website, mobileappmogul.net. It's not fully up yet, but you can check out what I have on there. And from there, Christopher Wilson, the Mobile App Mogul. I will talk to you soon. Take care.